Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a group chat on the Instagram. So if you want to create a group with your friends on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So as you will see, I have created a group with my friend. How I can did it. First of all, you have to open your Instagram, log into your account and go to your chats from the from the right top. Once you will do it, here you will see all of your friends with whom you have chatted. So you have to click on this plus icon on the right top. Once you will do it, here you will see suggested friend list. So you have to select friend that you want to add in your group, and once you will add in your group, you have to click on the chat on the right top. So your group will be created. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.